Planning your next outdoor adventure? These viral Amazon camping gadgets everyone's buying in 2025 are here to make it easier, smarter, and way more fun. From clever survival tools to comfort-boosting gear, they've got everything you need for the wild. All links are in the description below. Turn the lake into your own floating playground with this inflatable water trampoline. Built from thick, weather-resistant PVC with a smooth, waterproof surface, it's durable, airtight, and ready for endless summer fun. The elastic cords and webbing pads give a safe, spring-free bounce every time. Setup is quick and easy. The included air pump inflates it in minutes, and it folds down fast for storage when the day's done. With sturdy handles, a rope ladder, and a 400-pound capacity, it's perfect for family fun, water games, or just lounging in the sun. Want to keep food and drinks chilled without hauling around a giant cooler? This inflatable serving bar is the answer. Just fill it with ice, and suddenly you've got a buffet that keeps salads, fruit, and drinks perfectly cold for hours. It even floats in the pool, turning into the ultimate party accessory. When you're done, pull the drain plug, fold it up, and pack it away for next time. Who says camping has to mean roughing it? This inflatable camp setup looks like a tiny modern home you can take anywhere. It opens wide on all sides for fresh air and views. With a top cover you can close when you want shade or privacy. Inside, there's even an inflatable mattress included, so you're ready to rest in comfort. Spacious, airy, and fun, it turns the outdoors into your living room. Your little ones can lounge in style just like the grown-ups. This kid-sized double chaise is made from durable wood and topped with comfy striped cushions. A 3-sided canopy keeps them shaded while they sip from the built-in cup holders. There's even hidden storage underneath for toys or sunglasses. Perfect for backyard playdates, it's a cozy spot for two to relax side by side. Cooking outdoors doesn't have to be chaotic. This folding camping table gives you a sturdy surface plus 3 tiers of storage to keep everything neat. Side pockets hold utensils and tools, while the zippered middle compartment keeps food safe from bugs. It sets up in seconds, then folds into a slim case with a handle when you're done. Lightweight yet strong, it's like bringing a mini kitchen to the campsite. Who says you need a campfire for the perfect s'more? This tabletop s'mores maker brings the fun indoors with a safe, flameless heater that toasts marshmallows to golden perfection. 4 trays hold your graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, keeping everything within easy reach. Stainless steel roasting sticks let you roast without the mess. It's the sweetest way to turn family night into a cozy campfire experience. No wood required. Your backyard is about to feel like a luxury spa. This inflatable hot tub sets up fast and fits 4 people comfortably, letting you kick back with 140 bubbling jets and steamy water up to 104 degrees. Just press a button and you're soaking stress away. It even comes with a handy kit, brush, skimmer, and scrubber, so keeping it clean is just as relaxing. You get the full spa experience, minus the spa prices. Forget heavy wooden chairs. You can now relax anywhere on an inflatable one. This full-size seat feels just like a classic Adirondack, but packs down small enough to carry with one hand. You simply inflate it, and you've got armrests, a solid back, and cushioned comfort in minutes. Strong enough to handle plenty of weight, yet light enough for the beach, dock, or campsite. It's your portable lounge chair for any adventure. No trees? No problem. This portable hammock stand sets up in just seconds, so you can kick back anywhere, beach, backyard, or campsite. Its sturdy aluminum frame stays stable even on sand, grass, or rocky ground. You can switch between chair mode or full lounge mode, adjusting the canopy to follow the sun. And with a handy cup holder built in, your essentials are always within reach while you relax. Your garden deserves a little nighttime magic. These outdoor solar lanterns soak up the sun by day and glow automatically once it gets dark. The stainless steel design casts a beautiful pattern of light and shadow across the ground, instantly upgrading your patio or pathway. They're fully waterproof, so rain or snow won't stop the show. Just stake them in, switch them on, and enjoy hours of glowing ambiance. Why settle for a pool float when you can have your own floating island? This massive inflatable seats up to 6 people, making it the ultimate hangout on the water. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while a built-in cooler bag keeps drinks within reach. The sturdy vinyl design holds strong, and multiple air chambers keep it stable. Perfect for parties, lazy afternoons, or turning the lake into your private lounge. Backyard parties just got an upgrade. This rolling ice chest keeps up to 80 quarts of drinks cold and ready to serve. Locking wheels let you move it anywhere, while a handy shelf below adds storage for extra supplies. The built-in bottle opener and cap catcher make serving smooth and mess-free. It stays chilled for up to 2 days, so your drinks keep flowing all weekend long. Hot sand, long hikes, or a weekend by the lake, this cooler is built to keep up. Its heavy-duty insulation keeps ice frozen for days, so your drinks stay chilled no matter how far you wander. A special dry storage drawer separates food from melting ice, keeping snacks crisp and fresh. Rugged wheels roll smoothly over any terrain, from beaches to campgrounds. Big enough for a crowd, yet easy to move wherever you go. Your evenings outdoors just got brighter and more colorful. This umbrella light clips on in seconds and floods your table with warm white or vibrant colors. With 20 LEDs and a handy remote, you can set the mood for dinner, games, or late-night chats. It runs on simple batteries, so no messy cords needed. Perfect for patios, camping trips, or anywhere you want instant atmosphere after dark. No more tossing your bag in the sand or balancing drinks on shaky tables. This clever umbrella hook keeps everything off the ground and within reach. Just snap it onto your umbrella pole and hang towels, hats, bags, or even speakers. The stainless steel design is tough enough for beach days and breezy patios. Simple, sturdy, and smart. It's the extra hand you didn't know you needed. Nothing brings people together like roasting over a fire. These rotating roasting sticks make marshmallows, hot dogs, and s'mores way easier and a lot more fun. The telescoping design keeps you safely away from the flames while still giving you control. Just spin the handle and your food cooks evenly without burning. Durable stainless steel means you can use them for countless campfires with family and friends. No more food slipping through the grates. This rolling grill basket keeps veggies, shrimp, and small bites perfectly contained while giving them that smoky, grilled flavor. The removable wooden handle makes it easy to turn without burning your hands, and the stainless steel build is tough enough for countless cookouts. Best of all, it nests together for compact storage, making it a go-to tool for backyard BBQs or camping trips. Nights outdoors just got a serious upgrade. This 7-in-1 camping lantern isn't just a light, it's a fan, a Bluetooth speaker, an air pump, and even a power bank to charge your phone. You get both a wide floodlight to brighten your campsite and a focused spotlight for detail work. The rechargeable battery keeps it going for hours, and it's built tough enough to handle splashes. Grilling just got smarter. This charcoal BBQ grill rotates 360 degrees, so you don't have to keep flipping food or risk burning your hands. A simple lever lets you turn the grate with ease, cooking both sides evenly. You can even raise or lower the charcoal basin to control heat, keeping steaks juicy and veggies perfect. Durable, portable, and easy to clean, it's a backyard upgrade built for serious barbecue lovers. Camping just got a futuristic makeover. This transparent dome house gives you a 360 degrees view of the sky while keeping you safe from rain, wind, and bugs. Made from tough waterproof polycarbonate, it feels like sleeping outdoors without actually roughing it. You can stargaze, read, or just lounge in complete comfort. It's your own little bubble of luxury, perfect for backyards, camping trips, or cozy retreats. Flipping veggies one by one? Not anymore. These rolling grill baskets make it easy to cook meat, seafood, or veggies evenly. Just load them up, close the lid, and roll them over the flames. The 360-degree rotation means everything gets that perfect char without falling through the grates. Made from tough stainless steel with detachable wooden handles, they're built for serious grilling. This DIY Darth Vader BBQ is built entirely from scrap metal, turning old cylinders and sheets into a functional grill shaped like the Sith Lord's helmet. The hinged mask opens to reveal the cooking chamber, with added wheels for mobility and a flue for ventilation. Finished in heat-proof black paint, it looks straight out of Star Wars. A project that makes grilling feel like joining the dark side. Packing light just got smarter. This pocket-sized air pump is small enough to slip in your backpack, yet strong enough to inflate a float in seconds. It doesn't just fill things with air, it also works in reverse, sucking air out of storage bags to save space. Built-in light turns it into a handy lantern for camping nights, with an emergency SOS mode for safety. Rechargeable and ready anywhere, it's a true outdoor multitasker. Dinner outside doesn't have to come with unwanted guests. This hanging mosquito net slips right over your patio umbrella, creating a full 360-degree shield against bugs. The polyester mesh is lightweight yet strong, letting the breeze through while keeping pests out. A zipper door makes it easy to step in and out, and the weighted bottom keeps it steady. It's a simple way to turn your patio into a bug-free retreat. Turn your backyard into a summer lounge spot. This giant inflatable sofa pool doubles as a comfy place to sit and a refreshing spot to splash around. Kids can play, while adults stretch out and relax in the oversized design. It inflates quickly and packs down just as easily when you're done. Perfect for sunny afternoons, family fun, or simply cooling off in style. Forget heavy chairs. This inflatable lounger is all about instant comfort anywhere you go. No pump needed, just swoop it through the air and you've got a cozy seat or hammock in seconds. The built-in pillow supports your head and neck, so you can really relax. It stays inflated for hours and is completely waterproof, making it perfect for the beach, backyard, or festivals. Waves, bumps, or sudden stops, your drink isn't going anywhere. This clever cup holder uses a micro suction base that locks onto smooth surfaces without glue or drilling. It grips tight so your cup, can, or bottle stays upright, even on boats or kayaks. The fit adjusts automatically for most drink sizes, and it's super easy to clean. Whether outdoors or at your desk, spills are finally off the menu. Turn night into day wherever you are. This telescoping LED skylight rises up to 12 feet and throws out 6,000 lumens, lighting up an area the size of a football field. Its adjustable panels let you spread the glow wide or focus it where you need it most. Perfect for camping, tailgates, or job sites. It even doubles as emergency backup lighting at home. Portable, durable, and water resistant. It's ready for anything.